Oh, hello there. Now Mark here, and welcome to a brand new series called Kitchen Incompetence. It's a series where I cook things with absolutely no skill. Today I will show you how to make a very popular Finnish food called maksalaatikko, which means liver box, also known as liver casserole. For this you will need rice porridge, rice, liver, preferably from an animal, some spices and some more, salt, a gently placed egg, milk, butter and syrup, and of course a malt drink, and to go with that another malt drink. Now one more, this is gonna take a while. Start off by boiling 7.5 deciliters of water, which is about 98 ounces probably. Also get your rice porridge rice ready. When the water finally boils after half an hour of waiting, add 2 deciliters or 45 ounces probably of rice porridge rice in it. Cook that for about 20 minutes, mixing it every now and then so it doesn't burn. Also, you might want to lower the temperature a little bit. And oh yeah, salt. And turn on the oven. 175 Celsius or about 843 Fahrenheit probably. And now it's the time for refreshment. After 20 minutes, remove the pot from the stove. Then add half a liter of cold milk, an egg, preferably without the shell, 300 to 400 grams of non-human liver, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of syrup. Then mix it all up until it looks like baby diarrhea. Also add spices. Lovely. Next, get a baking dish thingy and butter it up. Then pour in the baby diarrhea looking and carefully put it in the oven. Set a timer for an hour 15 minutes. This gives you plenty of time for reading, for example, and refreshment. Of course. After you're done reading your upside down religious newspaper, it is time to take the liver box out of the oven. Take it out of the oven and let it cool down for a little bit. This gives you some more time for reading. After some more reading, take out your finest cracked flour plates and fill the plate up. And then it's time for the taste test. It did not go well. Perhaps try adding these spices to your casserole, if for some reason you actually decide to do this. Or maybe just stick to buying the liver box in a box.